What is going on, everybody? Today we have the biggest residential job that we've ever gotten, I believe. We're expecting it to take all day. Hopefully it doesn't take longer than that. We haven't actually seen the house because we got this estimate through one of our online quoting software called Responsibid. Right now it's 6:30 in the morning. I'm just getting everything ready. And yeah, we're planning to head out around 7:30, 7:45 and get there at 8 and hopefully bang this out within the day. So got a little roof wash going. I already did that entire side of the roof. And then that patio down there. Over here. I'm just finishing off this side. It's getting a little windy over here. Yeah, this is a big job today. Doing the whole house, whole roof. Hopefully it doesn't take us too long, but we're expecting it. Also, when you're roof washing, always wear a respirator. You do not want to be fucking up your lungs. We got Jose, a new worker. It's his third day out here. They just did the whole roof. We got my brother in the back doing the pool patio. We already cleaned out the gutters and everything. So, the job is going pretty well so far. Jose's killing it. We already soaped this side of the house. And while we're letting it dwell, he's gonna do this side. Or the sidewalk, the front walkway. And after about 10 minutes or so, because it's not that sunny out and it's not hot at all, about 10 minutes or so, then we're gonna rinse down the front of the house with water, get all that soap off, and move on to the next sides. We got my brother over there doing the pool patio. Whole roof has been soaped up. There's a truck. It's a little messy. I shot the video this morning of the little truck tour. We're looking to get a nice HEPM machine in here with a nice buffer tank, hose reels and everything. Right now it's just nothing yet. There's the house. So we just took a little lunch break. And I'm going out and putting some yard signs wherever I can while these guys finish up the job. I'm also going to grab some gas for the machines and go put out some yard signs. Hopefully we get some jobs. I think we got about 8 here, so I want to put them all out right now. That's fucking money right there. Look at that spot right in the busy street. Oh, boom. That job's all done. My brother and Jose are finishing up the house right now. They're just doing the last side, and I'm heading back. Gonna get some stuff ready for tomorrow because there's no reason for me to be there right now anymore. So yeah, the customers are happy. We talked to them. Not a bad day. Very excited that the customers were happy and everything, and that it went smooth. So if you're interested in starting and growing a power washing business, or any business for that matter in the service industry, reach out, comment below, or book a call in the description down below, and I'd be happy to talk to you and help you out. So I'll see you in the next video, and please subscribe.